Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Holvi Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Holvi Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way for freelancers and small businesses to manage their finances. It's essentially a business banking account with integrated features designed for ease of invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Key features include online invoicing, expense management tools, and potentially integrated accounting functionalities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Holvi positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to traditional business banking, emphasizing ease of use and transparent pricing. They highlight aspects like no hidden fees and straightforward account management. Their website details their pricing plans and features. The service is available in several European countries. You can check their website for availability in your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Holvi Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was quick and intuitive. I was able to create my account and verify my identity within about 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was also surprisingly simple. I particularly liked the clean dashboard, which provided a clear overview of my account balance, outstanding invoices, and recent transactions. Creating and sending invoices was incredibly straightforward, and the expense tracking features worked flawlessly. I even integrated it with my accounting software with minimal hassle. I found the speed and reliability of the platform consistently excellent. I had a quick question about integrating a new payment gateway, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful and professional. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on the desktop version for on-the-go access. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting function. It saved me countless hours of manual work. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Holvi. It streamlined my financial management significantly, and I'd happily recommend it to other freelancers and small business owners. That's my overview of Holvi Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.